out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
Hey everyone, and welcome to this super chill, super relaxing after dark clean with me. I chose some really chill music for you guys in today's video, and I hope that you really enjoy it. If you're new here, first of all, welcome. My name is Bella, and I love to make all of these homemaking and motherhood motivation types of videos, cleaning, decorating, organizing, all of that fun stuff. And if that sounds like your jam, I hope that you consider hitting the subscribe button and sticking around and joining our amazing supportive community.
I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
As you can see, I'm starting off in the kitchen, and I had a bunch of dishes I had to do because today was a really busy day and we were running around a lot, so things just kind of got thrown in the sink and just left until later. But I wanted to take care of it before I went to bed because I really hate waking up with a sink full of dishes. It's just not the best way to start off the day. I know that might just be a me thing. I don't know if you're the same way. Let me know down in the comments. But I love just waking up to a more relaxing and peaceful home in the morning. I feel like it always just starts the day off the right way, and your girl is not a morning person, so it really just helps me feel so motivated in the morning.
Marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
If you missed my last couple of videos, I just got done with my super intense extreme spring cleaning for this season, and if you need that motivation, it is there waiting for you. It is just super easy to find on my channel. It's of course my last two videos, but this one is more chill and just relaxing. I know that you guys love these videos, and I love these videos as well, and I love making them for you guys. And let me know if you would like to see more of these chill videos as we come into summer and spring, because that is kind of my vibe this summer. I just want to keep it really relaxed and chill. I am planning on doing a huge spring refresh, and then in the summer doing one as well, just because sometimes things pile up in the houses, little things get neglected, and that would be just a really good time to just go through those spaces and tidy them up, those hidden spaces. And I know that you guys really like to see those as well. And in the same kind of vein, if you want to see any specific videos from me coming up, I know a couple of you would like to see some of the stuff that I pack for our spring picnics and stuff like that. And I do have some wedding planning stuff coming up, because if you're new here, I am engaged and we are going to be getting married in September, and the wedding planning is in full swing, and I've filmed a little bit of that for you guys too, so that will be coming up in a video very soon. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure that you turn on your notifications, and that way you won't miss a single thing coming up this spring and summer.
I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid.
moms of little kids, let me know if you can relate to this. I kind of just leave the toys till the end of the day sometimes because she's always pulling them out, always playing with them, and I definitely want to encourage her to play with her toys. I'm not trying to stop that at all. So sometimes I just let it be a mess until after she goes to bed. Am I alone, or do you guys do that too? Let me know.
And you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
You guys are gonna laugh at me so hard, but I left it in because it's so funny. I love these little vines. I think I got them from either TJ Maxx or Marshall's for my spring look. And again, they are my favorites. I'm never going to not have these little hanging vines when I can get away with it, but they get so tangled because, again, I have a little girl and she just likes to pull on them sometimes, so I have to fold them over and kind of back, and then they end up getting super tangled. But that is just mom life. And kind of speaking of summer because of the vines, I want to know what you guys are doing for spring and summer this year. Help me build our bucket list, especially if you have little kids. I really want to take her to do some fun stuff. I have some fun stuff coming up with my friends, and if you want to see that, it will be on my Instagram, which is Bella_Ariana127. I post more about my everyday life there. But let me know fun activities for spring and summer with little kids, because we are planning on going to the beach once a month through spring and summer, and we just got back. If you saw that on my story, we just got back from Santa Cruz, but I want to know other fun things to do as well, so just give me some ideas. Now for some laundry motivation as I rearrange my entire living room. My cat is so offended. Look at her. That is so funny. But I did have a bunch of laundry to do on this night. I had Matt's laundry, which is what I'm folding right now. I had my laundry, and I had Kennedy's laundry as well. So it was just a huge laundry night. And if you're not new around here, you know that I like to save laundry until after bedtime because it is just some uninterrupted time where I can turn on a podcast or some music and I can just listen to that as I get all this laundry folded, and it's just super relaxing and chill. I think that folding laundry is just super cathartic, and it's a really relaxing task for me. I don't know if I'm the only person that feels that way, because I know that a lot of people don't like folding laundry, but I am all here for it. Your girl likes folding laundry. In the first part of my spring clean and decorate, I asked you guys which task was your least favorite and favorite. I know I got a couple of people that said laundry was their least favorite, and I'm wondering if it's because you don't like your laundry schedule, because I feel like if you get onto a really good laundry schedule, it makes laundry just super easy. And I know that being a stay-at-home parent, it makes it a little bit easier that way, but my parents both worked my entire life, and my dad was always on top of the laundry, and I feel like it's because he had a really good routine, and I think I picked up some of those habits. So I want to know, do you guys like saving laundry till one huge laundry day, or do you do like one load of laundry a day? Just let me know, and also then you can give other people in the comments ideas, because again, this community is to help and support each other as mainly stay-at-home parents, but there are also working parents on this channel as well, and you guys are just as seen and just as valid here, and we love you guys just as much. But maybe you guys can help each other out, because I don't have the same life situation as every single person that watches here, and that goes for my audience as well. I can relate more to the stay-at-home parents, but there are, again, working parents too, and they might be able to help you out. Also, I think that a lot of people find laundry kind of boring because they don't have anything to occupy their brain other than the laundry. That's why I think that cleaning motivation videos like this one and my other friends here on YouTube, those are amazing because you feel like you're cleaning with a friend, and that's very helpful for me. Sometimes when I'm cleaning or I need the motivation to clean, I'll turn on one of my friends' videos and I'll just feel super motivated, or I'll listen to a podcast, or I'll listen to some music. And what I do is I'll kind of turn on a playlist that has 2 videos or like one really long video, so that I know that I'm not gonna run out of things to listen to, or I'll create like a little playlist for myself with enough music to last the entire time that I am working on the laundry, and I feel like that really helps. And then if you do it earlier in the day and you're really excited to listen to your podcast or watch your cleaning video later, it just makes laundry something that you can look forward to in a way. Thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight as we did some slower paced everyday cleaning. I absolutely love making these videos for you guys, and it just warms my heart so much when you let me know that you're watching and you made it to the end. And again, I really appreciate you guys. I will see you back here for another homemaking video very, very soon. But until then, bye beauties.
I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the